Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read a story today called Wild About Us, written by Karen Beaumont and illustrated by Janet Stevens. Looks like it's going to be a fun story, doesn't it? I'm Warty Warthog. Can't be who I'm not. I am who I am, and I've got what I've got. I have tusks, I have warts, but I like what I see. In my own special way, I'm as cute as can be. Yes, sirree, we all are the way we are all meant to be. Crocodile's proud of his big toothy grin. Rhino feels fine in her wrinkly skin. Elephant's confident, nothing is wrong. He knows that his nose is supposed to be long. What do you think the word confident means? If you're confident about something, that means you feel good about it. You are able to be strong and not worry about what other people are thinking. No one laughs at Giraffe because she's lanky and tall. Here at the zoo, there is room for us all. Would you dare tell Flamingo he shouldn't be pink? Or pot-bellied pig, she's too plump, do you think? We never tease Tortoise for being so slow. He's not meant to hurry or scurry, you know. Does Porcupine care that she can't curl her hair? Is Leopard upset? He has spots everywhere. Hippo is happy. She loves her behind. It wiggles, it jiggles, it's one of a kind. She's proud of precisely the way it's designed. Chimp's ears stick out, as you clearly can see. But he thinks they're charming, and we all agree. That's a fun picture. Kangaroo has huge feet, but you don't see her pout. She has much better things to be thinking about. We're going to study about kangaroos this year in first grade. We're glad we're all different. It would be such a shame if you came to the zoo and we all looked the same. Boys and girls, I'm excited to get to know each one of you this year, and I'm excited that you are all different, that you have different things that make you special and who you are, and I look forward to getting to know them. And I hope you'll look forward to getting to know Mrs. Shu and I